ಇದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 7. ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ we discuss some other problems using the geometric progressions. ಅದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ in which terms of the sequence 2 into root 2 4 continue is 128. What is this meaning? In which terms means here find the number of terms. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ 128 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದಿ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್, you know that 2 is the first terms, 2 into root 2 is second terms, 4 is third terms, like this forms. Here you know that multiplying 2 by root 2, you get 2 into root 2, you get the second terms. Multiplying 2 into root 2 by root 2, you get 2 into 2 is 4. Therefore, the given sequence are in AP. Therefore, you can say that the sequence in AP, in GP. AP alla, okay? 2 into root 2 minus 2 is not equal to 4 minus 2 into root 2. But ratio nodidre is same barutte. Therefore, the given sequence in GP. GP anta identify madmele, here first find the first term of a given sequence. Here first term is denoted by A. A means 2. And GP endaga, here find the common ratio. Common ratio is denoted by R. Therefore, R is equal to, you know the formula, any terms divided by its previous terms. Here 2 is cancels, you get root 2. Or 4 divided by 2 into root 2, you get root 2. Root 2 is the common ratio. And you know that Tn is given that 128. Then find the value of n. 128 ನಂದು ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ. It means nth term is assumed that 128. Then find the value of n. Then you say that nth term is 128 in a given sequence ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Here you know, using the formula, what is Tn in GP? Here you know that A into R raised to n minus 1 is equal to 128. Here substitute the values. That is, what is the value of A? 2. What is the value of R? Root 2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 128. Here you know that root 2 to the power n minus 1 can be written as 128 divided by 2, its value is equal to 64. And again using law of indices, root 2 means 2 to the power half whole raised to n minus 1. Its value is equal to, you have right, 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6 in terms of 2 raised to n forms. It implies 2 raised to n minus 1, again using law of indices, its value is 2 raised to 6. It means n minus 1 by 2 equal to 6. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 12, or you said that n is equal to 12 plus 1, its value is the 13th term. It means, therefore, you come to the conclusions, the 13th term is 128. This one is just using law of indices. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 128? ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ is 13th terms. Very simple problems using the formula nth term of a GP. The similar type questions. The next example of GP, how many terms of a GP 3, 9, 27 continue are needed given sum is 120. It is also very simple questions, either 2 or 3 mark questions. In how many terms of a GP? 3, 9, 27 like this are needed to give the sum is 128. In last example given that nth term, here given that the sum of the first nth terms, and also given that the given sequence are in GP. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 3 to the power 3 ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ GP. ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ a equal to 3, r is equal to 3 square divided by 3, it means 3 is GP a and r. And also given that the sum of the first nth term is 120. Next, here using the formula sum to n terms, the sum of first n terms of a GP. What is Sn formula? Here r is greater than 1. Therefore, you can say that r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 is equal to 128. That is, here substitute the value of a means 3 raised to n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is equal to 128. It means 3 divided by 2 into 3 raised to n minus 1 is equal to 128. Therefore, 3 raised to n minus 1 is equal to 120 into 2 divided by 3. Is clear? Cross multiplications ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 3 ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 into 40. Its value is equal to 40 into 2 means 8. Therefore, 3 raised to n is equal to 80 plus 1 means 81. 81 write in terms of index forms 3 raised to 4. Therefore, 3 raised to n equal to 3 raised to 4, base are same means index is also equal. Therefore, n is equal to 4. Therefore, the sum of first 4 terms is 120. First 4 terms ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 120 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. In last example given the nth terms, here given sum to n terms of a GP. The next example, to 20 terms. First 20 terms of a GP 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015 continue. Find sum of 20 terms of a GP. Here given that the given sequence are in GP geometric progressions, given that 0.5 comma 0.015, 0.15, 0.015, continue like this. Next 0.0015. These are in, given that these are in GP geometric progressions. Here you know that a is equal to 0.15, and what is the value of r? Any terms divided by its previous terms, 0.015 divided by 0.15. Simplify, you get its value is 0.015 divided by 0.15. Suppose multiplying 1000, you get 15 divided by 1000 means 150. It means 1 divided by 10. Or you can say that 0.1 is the common ratio. Multiplying 0.1, you get this values, again 0.1, this values, directly you can write this values, the common ratio is equal to r. Here finding the nth term. So what is Tn? Here you know that it is not necessary. Suppose asked here, find the nth term of a geometric progressions, a into r raised to n minus 1. What is the value of a? 0.15 into r means 0.01 to the power n minus 1, right? Therefore, here finding 20th terms is not asked the nth terms. Here find the 20th terms. What is T20? T20 is equal to a into, actually you can write r to the power 19. A means 0.15, r means 0.1 raised to 19. 0.1 raised to 19. That one is the, or you can write it right in the form of 0.1 raised to 19 means 1 divided by 0.15 divided by 10 to the power 19. 10 to the power 19, or write its value is equal to 15 into 10 raised to 2 means 10 raised to 21. That one is the 20th term of the given sequence, or write like this. This one is also is true, right? The next problem. The next one, the fifth term, 5th, 8th and 11th of a GP are P, Q and S respectively. Then show that Q square is equal to PS. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ದೆನ್ ಶೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್. ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಪಿ, ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ, ನೈದರ್ ಎ ಪಿ ನಾರ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ is P, 8th term is Q, 11th term is S is given. Then find the conditions for between PQR. Just prove that Q square is equal to PS. It means Q is equal to root of PS. Q is equal to root of PS means Q is the midterms. It means P, Q and S are in GP. Then you say that Q is equal to root of PS. Q square is equal to PX. The problem is very simple. First take given, here given that T5 in GP, in a given GP, T5 is equal to P, T8 is equal to Q and T11 is equal to S is given. That is T5 is equal to Q. If A is the first term and R is the common ratio, T5 means A into R raised to 4 is equal to P. The first equations or result. T8 means A into R to the power 7 is equal to Q. The second results. And T11 means A into R raised to 10 is equal to S. You say that this one is the third results or third equations. Here solving 1, 2, 3, find the relations between P, Q, R. Here just observe that here you know that 1 into 2. Suppose multiplying 2, here you write A into R raised to 4 into A into R raised to 10 is equal to A square. You know that, observe that the relations between 1, 2, 3. Here find the relations, identify the relations. A to the power 4, A to the power A into R raised to 4, A into R raised to 10 is equal to A into A means A square into R to the power 4 plus 10 means 14. That can be written as A into R raised to 7 whole square. It's clear? A square R raised to 14 square means R to the R raised to 7 whole square means R raised to 14. Here find the relations in the given results. It means that is what is A raised to P. Here just write here just observations using this result from 1 to 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 3 and 2 using this one. 1 into 3 is equal to a into r. Here the equations a raised to r raised to 4 means p. A into r to the power 10 means yes is equal to a into r whole raised to 1 means it is value is q square. Therefore, the very simple results q square is equal to ps. Or you can say that p, q and s are in GP. ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. It means q is equal to, or you write q is equal to root of ps. Therefore, q is s is geometric mean between p and s. It's clear? The similar type questions. Questions. The 4th, 10th and 16th terms of a GP are x, y and z respectively. Then show that x, y and z are in GP. The same questions, but data are different. We are not asked the relations. Here said that by the definitions x, y, z are in GP. It means here prove that y is equal to root of, y is the geometric mean between x and z. It means y is equal to root of xz, or y square is equal to x into z. The method is same. The solution, first take the given things. We are given that in a GP T4 is equal to x, T10 is equal to y and T16 is equal to z. That is, what is T4? A into r cube is equal to x. The first equations. T10 a into r raised to 9 is equal to y. And this one is the second result. And 16th means a into r raised to 15 is equal to z. Say that this one is the third result. Here identify the relations between x, y, z using the given result. X means a into r, a into r cube, y means a into r raised to 9, z means a into r raised to 15. Already you know that. Suppose multiplying these two, it is exactly equal to a into r raised to 9 whole square. Here from we are using the result 1, 3 and 2. The product a into r cube into a into r raised to 15 is equal to, you know that its value is equal to x into z. That is equal to a square into r raised to 3, r raised to 15 means 18 equal to xz. It means a into r raised to 9 whole square is equal to x into z. Or you can say that a into r whole raised to 9 from 2, you say that y square is equal to xz, or y is equal to square root of xz. It implies x, y, the middle values z's are in GP. It means y is a geometric mean between x and z. Therefore, x, y, z are in GP. ಇದು GP ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಿಡಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ y ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Work out in last period the similars of a GP. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP geometric progressions is 39 divided is 1. Then find its common ratio. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Or find the sum of then find its common ratio using the results. Here also, given that the sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 39 divided by 10, we discussed in the last video in part 6. Usually you can taking the first 3 terms means AR square, 4 term means A into R cube. But in calculations purpose, you can taking the first term is A divided by R, the second term is A, and the third term is AR. We easily here find the value of R, A and R. Here let us assume that A by R, A and AR are first 3 terms in a GP. In GP of first 3 terms. Next, given that ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 3 numbers in GP ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, consecutive numbers. The sum of the first 3 terms of a GP, it means A by R, AR is equal to 39 divided by 10. You say that this one is the first result. And also given that the product is equal to 1, A by R, A into R. This value is 1. Here RR cancel. It implies A cube is equal to 1. 1 can be written as 1 cube. Therefore, you get the first term is equal to 1. It's clear? Once here find the first term, next here find the common ratio. And or you can taking put the value of A is equal to 1 in result 1. Result 1 alli hakidre it implies 1 by R plus 1 into R is equal to 39 divided by 10. Here multiplying each terms by 10R. 10R ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ RR cancel ಆದರೆ 10 plus 10 into R into 1 ಅಂದರೆ 10 plus 10 into R into R ಅಂದರೆ R square is equal to 10 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 39R. It implies 10R square 10R minus 39R minus 29R plus 10 is equal to 0. Here split the midterms. Minus 29 is split martivi. Addition is both are negative because here the product is positive. 10 into 10 means 100. Multiplying the two numbers, its value is 100. Adding those two numbers, its value is minus 29. Therefore, the dividing 25 and 4 both are negative. 10 into R square minus 20 into 25 into R minus 5R plus 10 is equal to 0. We are making group here 5R common terms, 2R minus 5 and minus 5 is common terms. Yes, its value is equal to 10R square minus 25 minus 4R split ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 25 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 100. Here you can taking 2R 2 ಅನ್ನ common terms ಆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you get 2R minus 5 right is equal to 0. Then it implies 2R minus 5 is common terms ಆಯಿತು, 5R minus 2 equal to 0. It implies either 2R equal to 5 means R is equal to 5 by 2 or 5R is equal to 2 means R is equal to 2 by 5. These are the common ratio. R is the common ratio is either 5 by 2 or 2 by 5. You get the sum is equal to either ascending or descending order ಇರಬಹುದು. Sum is 39 by 20 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Product ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you get its value is 1. You are not find the 3 numbers here, just find the common ratio. Common ratio is either 5 by 2 or 2 by 5. It's clear? This one is in GP. You solving the some other problems in GP in one class in next class. Thank you.